Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very personal to me. It's something that's very emotional and has a huge impact on my mental health. So before everything, I just want to say one thing. I am not a medical professional and whatever I say is only out of my experience. I am not asking you guys to follow anything. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So as you must have read in the title, I had PCOD and this video is exactly about that. It's about my journey and what all went through it. It's like a story time that encompasses a story of about 4 years of my struggle with the disorder. Okay, so we'll begin from the very beginning. This is the year 2017. Yes, 2017, September 15. I clearly remember the date. This was the date जब मैं अपने घर पे सीढ़ियों से गिर गई थी एंड मेरे पैर पे प्लास्टर बांधा गया था एंड आई वॉज स्टक एट होम फॉर अबाउट 2 months मैं अपने बेड पे बैठी हुई थी, मैंने कुछ काम नहीं किया एंड या दैट वाज द ईयर जब मेरे बोर्ड एग्जाम्स थे and I really wanted to do good in my board exams. Mentally there was this kind of pressure that I want to do good in my board exams. I want to get into TU and अब मेरा fracture हो गया है तो मैं वो कैसे करूँगी? And physically of course I wasn't able to move. I wasn't able to go out and meet my friends. Extrovert problems. Yeah, so I felt lonely and it was just a very ugly state for me. So the first symptom that I noticed in myself was like, I think in October or in November. So I missed my menstrual cycle. Never happened to me before and I was like कि चलो ऐसे ही हो गया होगा, maybe it's just because of stress or something. I did not pay much heed to it. I just let it go. So after that, the other thing that I noticed was that my menstrual cycle got very irregular and I did not pay much heed to it. I don't know why, because I think all of my focus was in my board examination, so I did not pay a lot of attention to it and ऐसा ही होता गया and eventually आने ही बंद हो गए. There was nothing. There was like no menstrual cycle. This started happening around January. So this was the time when I also started noticing a lot of acne formation around this area. Yeah, even my weight increased, right? So from like September till November, in the span of 2 months, I went from being 55 kgs to 66 kgs. Yes, in a span of 2 months, I almost gained 11 kgs of weight. Again, I did not pay much heed to it because I thought that I was sitting at home, I had a fracture in my leg and that is why I gained weight and it will go away as soon as I, resume with college. I mean, resume with school and, I just resume with my day-to-day activities and everything. In the year 2018, I started noticing all of these symptoms in like a bunch. So I started noticing that I'm not having my menstrual cycle and that I'm having acne. My weight is not reducing no matter what I do. So I just went online on Google and I typed down my symptoms and I self-diagnosed. And Google clearly told me that I have PCOD. So somewhere in the back of my mind, I knew that, okay, I have PCOD. I did a lot of research on PCOD, on the symptoms, and the symptoms clearly matched what was happening to me. I was kind of sure, I was like 80% sure that I have PCOD. Although this is not something I would recommend. Please don't go on Google and ask Google such things because Google is not reliable. After that, in the year 2018, my board exams got over and everything, and my mom was noticing whatever was happening with me. So, she got worried and she was like, let's just go to a gynecologist and get you checked. Obviously, in the back of my mind, I knew that I have PCOD, but I was not really relying on the information that Google has provided me. So even I wanted to check in with a gynecologist and I wanted कि कोई, sure कर दे कि अच्छा सच्ची में है. And then I just get my medicines and finish. Khatam baat. Jokes on me. So with this, we come to the second phase of the story, which is the diagnosis. So I went to this doctor. She's like a family doctor and she told me to get an ultrasound. Yeah, so I got an ultrasound done and ultrasound वाले भैया ने तो मुझे बोल दिया कि आपके डॉक्टर ने बिल्कुल सही बताया, आपको PCOD है. Yes, it got approved. Then I went back to the doctor and I showed her my reports and she was like, yeah, you have PCOD, ठीक है. That time it did not really matter much to me because I was like, just give me the medicines and get this done with. She gave me these medicines wherein I had to take like a few tablets 2 to 3 days before my menstrual cycle was supposed to happen. So yeah, I took those tablets like 2 to 3 days before and my menstrual cycle got back to normal. But as soon as I left those tablets, or like those tablets got over, again there was like no menstrual cycle at all. By this time, I realized that no, this is not working. Yeah, I just need to do something about it. My mom was like, just go get more medicines, but I was like, no, like अपनी लाइफ के एंड तक थोड़ी मैं मेडिसिन खाती रहूंगी for this. So this is where the third phase of my journey comes in, wherein I educated my own self. So I think that whoever has PCOD, it is very, very important to, educate yourself. So I think the first video that I watched regarding PCOD was Shreya Jain's video on YouTube. Even she had PCOD, and when I heard her story, her symptoms, I was like, yeah, that's exactly what I'm facing. She talked about how you need to make lifestyle changes, and you need to exercise, you need to diet, and all of those things. I was like, okay, let's dig more, let's see more information. And I think I stumbled upon the channel of Beer Biceps. Yeah, so on Beer Biceps channel, he said that you need to work out, you need to fix your sleeping pattern, you need to fix your lifestyle basically. During that time, I was like a proper teenager. I was eating junk food all of the time, and especially when I had entered college, I started eating a lot of junk food, and my sleep cycle was very haywired, and I was not taking care of myself. I did not even drink enough water. I used to drink water whenever I felt very thirsty. A person should have at least 2 liters of water a day. I was not having 2 liters of water a day, I remember. So this time I decided to take matters in my own hand, and I decided to follow this diet that Beer Biceps gave on his channel. So his diet was very proper, very structured. I was also supposed to cut out white rice, and I was only supposed to have brown rice, because white rice can really spike up your blood sugar level. And one symptom that comes with PCOD is that you have insulin resistance, so you should not have a lot of sweet stuff, or even foods that have a high glycemic index, which means that foods that increase your blood sugar level very fast. Rice is one of those foods. Rice, maida, you should not have these things. So I listened to Beer Biceps, and I did all of these things, which brings us to the next phase of our journey, which is the recovery phase, recovery part 1. So for recovery part 1, I started following the diet that was given by Beer Biceps, which was actually a very difficult diet. But I was like, कि मुझे तो करना है. And Beer Biceps told me that you need to decrease 10% of your present weight. If my present weight was 66, मतलब मुझे 10% कम करना था, which means I had to come back to 60. But I really wanted to go back to my original weight, because according to my height, 66 is actually me being overweight, and 60 kgs is like me being जैसे ये ऐसे line है, और यहाँ पे is like okay weight, and यहाँ पे is like overweight. So 60 is like here. You gain 1 kg, 2 kg, 61, 62, and you're back to being overweight. So I did not want that. I wanted to be a bit more farther away from this line. So I decided to take it down to 55 kgs. So I was dieting, and I was also exercising. So initially I started going out for running, for jogging. My weight did not budge even 1 kg by jogging, because jogging is actually the wrong kind of exercise for PCOD. So basically recovery number 1 was a failure. I did lose weight. From 66 kgs, I got down to 60 kgs in a matter of 4-5 months. It was very difficult. I was literally starving because of the diet that I had, and the form of exercise that I was doing, I wasn't really enjoying it. So even if I was making strides physically, mentally I was not really happy because of the kind of food that I was eating. And it was just the same repetitive thing. मतलब रोज मैं दाल चावल खा रही थी, and I was not enjoying it. While my symptoms did decrease, my acne did decrease, and my weight did decrease, with it my mental health also kind of took a hit. As I told you that I wanted to get to 55 kgs. Even if I wanted to reach 55 kgs, I really could not, because by the time I reached 60 kgs, I was so fed up with that diet and with that kind of workout that I just couldn't do it anymore. I reached 60 kgs, my menstrual cycle was normal, and my symptoms were getting okay. So I was like, ठीक है, done, खत्म हो गया. Now I'm okay and I don't need to worry about anything. I stopped exercising, I stopped dieting, and I went back to my usual routine. And that was the biggest mistake of my journey. So before we move on to the next phase of my PCOD journey, I really wanted to, figure out that why did my recovery number 1 fail? What was exactly the problem? So PCOD essentially requires a lifestyle change in order for you to be okay. But the kind of lifestyle change that I made, it was good, but it was not really sustainable. For lunch, I was only having dal chawal. For dinner, I was only having salads every day, and it really pissed me. I was like, when will this be over? I could not sustain it for the rest of my life. Now, I don't want to throw shade on Beer Biceps because he, according to him, did a great job. But one thing that we need to keep in mind is that individual differences do exist, even when it comes to diets and workout plans. So what is sailing the boat of one person might not really sail your boat. So the next phase is the phase of relapse. Even though I lost weight, I gained that weight back in like 2 to 3 months. I was again back to 66 kgs. I was again facing issues in my menstrual cycle, and I was again having acne. So we were back to square one. All of that effort that I put in eating all of those boring salads, all of that brown rice and everything, all of that went down to the gutter. So during this stage of relapse, my mental health took a huge toll. I was so sick of whatever was happening. I was not really recovering. My face was filled with acne. People were making me feel very insecure about my acne. I was insecure about my weight. People around me made comments like, "Kitni moti ho gayi hai, kitni moti hai, you really need to lose your weight," and things like, the kind of figure that you have is not really desirable by me, by a lot of girls. It was a really bad time for my mental health. My self-esteem took a dip, and I don't think I have any shame in admitting this, especially on camera and in front of the internet, because I know that people who go through PCOD face this. So if you're a person who's shaming another girl, especially a girl who has PCOD because of her weight, then please don't shame her. She might be like me, she's trying her level best, but still things are not working in her favor, because that is another symptom that comes with PCOD. You gain weight very fast, but you're not able to lose weight that fast. I think this is why even people who don't have PCOD should know about PCOD, because the kind of comments that you pass and you being not very kind to other people can really have a bad impact on their mental health. Today, as I sit here as a 20-year-old girl, I completely understand that I don't care about what other people say, and I'm really happy with the kind of body that I have, even if I have acne on my face. I don't really have any shame in admitting it. But back when I was a 18-year-old teenager and people were making fun of me and I was comparing myself to Instagram models, I really did not feel great. So I think that I'm really proud of myself that even when I was going through all of this, I took the courage to again go online, फिर से search किया कि how can I cure my PCOD at home naturally and everything. That is when I got into Ayurveda a lot. I was already doing yoga and I knew that Ayurveda has a lot of positive benefits, but especially if you have PCOD, allopathy, homeopathy might work for some amount of time, but I think the knowledge of Ayurveda, even if you talk about like Ayurvedic medicines, मैं recommend नहीं करूँगी. I even went to an Ayurvedic doctor, did not work for me. But when you take the practices from Ayurveda, whatever they're teaching, especially if you learn about the sattvic food wala concept, I think you can really cure your PCOD very quickly. Okay, so with that we come to the next stage, which is the final recovery. So this is the final stage. This happened back in March. Yes. So जब lockdown हुआ, तब I saw an opportunity कि अब मेरे पास time है. I can give time to myself, to my body. And I decided to devote everything that I had from my whole and soul to myself. I think that this is true self-care. Knowing that, you love your body and you really want to put effort into making your body healthy and making yourself healthy. I think this is true self-care and self-love. Alright, so when it came to the final recovery, I watched a lot of more YouTube videos from people who had successfully cured their PCOD, and I also went online, did my research and everything. And the first thing that I did was adopt a healthy dieting pattern. Now, in my previous dieting pattern, it was very systematic. दिन में आपको राइस और दाल खानी है, या फिर आपको रोटी और दाल ही खानी है. रात में आपको सैलेड खाना है, रात में आपको रोटी या चावल नहीं खाने. You don't have to have carbohydrates and all of that. I scrapped all of it. I did not get a diet routine from anyone. I decided that I am the master of my own life and whatever I'm going to put in my body, and I was the doctor for myself. I curated my own diet plan that kept changing every day. So when it came to dieting, I was eating everything and anything that I wanted to eat, ranging from salads to a cupcake or a chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. This time I decided कि मुझे सब कुछ खाना है, but I need to make sure that I'm eating everything in the right quantity. So from the previous recovery, ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं चॉकलेट खा ही नहीं रही थी. मैं चॉकलेट खा रही थी, but मैं जितना पहले खाती थी when I was unwell, मैं उससे बहुत कम क्वांटिटी में खा रही थी. So the entire game of sustainable dieting revolves around eating food in the right quantity, having portion control. So the second thing, again very important thing, was that I started loving my exercise. Now what was I doing earlier? Earlier I was jogging and doing very mechanistic exercises, dumbbells वगैरह, जैसे भी biceps ने बताया था. Did not work for me. Then I changed my workout routine during the final recovery. I started doing yoga. I've been doing yoga since I was in class 6th, and it is something that I really enjoy. And another thing that I noticed in my previous workouts was that I was doing the same workout every day, but this time I made sure that I was doing a different workout every day. So monotonous भी नहीं होता था, boring भी नहीं होता था, and I used to really enjoy what I was doing. The third change that I made that did not exist at all before this was I started putting greater emphasis on my mental health. That was the time when I actually started meditating, when I actually started journaling, and when I actually started implying things that I had read in my book. I felt that it was not just great for my stress management, but it was also great for me as a human being. You don't have to manage your stress just because you have PCOD. मतलब PCOD है तब तो करना ही है, because stress is like number one cause of PCOD. But even if you don't have PCOD, managing your stress in your day-to-day life is very, very important. With that, we come to the present phase of this video. How am I doing presently? So presently, as you can see, I do have a little bit of acne, but I think that's completely okay. It'll go away with time. Acne marks, especially hormonal acne marks, take a lot of time to go away, and I am ready to be patient. Other than that, as far as my weight is concerned, oh yes, I forgot to cover this in the final recovery thing. So I actually achieved my goal this time. I reached 55 kgs. Yes, I did. And I'm able to manage my stress better, and I'm also motivating you guys to manage your stress better. I've been speaking non-stop 1 घंटे से और मेरे घर में बहुत दर्द हो गया है अब. So if you like this video, then please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and you like this video and you leave a comment, and make sure that you send this video to someone who has PCOD. I'll also leave my Instagram ID over here. So if you are someone who has PCOD and you wish to talk to me, you can contact me here. And I hope you found something great from this video. And if you wish to know more, you can leave questions in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye bye.